Hello! So today I want to show you the Peeper J3 Cub. So it's my first time I make a unboxing of a thing that is for my hobby. I mostly do computer stuff because one of my hobbies is computers, and this channel mostly is for computer stuff. Anyway, this time I thought to make an unboxing because this is one of the first boxes that didn't look broken when it came, and it was costing quite cheap. It costed $30 instead of $40, so I thought why not fast to buy it. Whoa. So here it is. Wow, it's really much bigger than what I thought it was, because this box is really tiny, and I don't know how it didn't break, because they just put all kinds of such black thing around that's like glue, but nothing more than that. It comes with replacement parts. Is it replacement parts or should I build it? I'm not sure, but let's take a look at it. So here it is. Wow, it's really beautiful. So yeah, you have to build the wheels, and I'm sure it's very easy. It's much bigger than what I thought it was. I thought it was half of that. As you see in my hand, it's quite big, so my hand is that, and you see it's much bigger. And what I like about this, because once I bought another airplane that's half broken already, that couldn't work in sun, and I really hated it. It couldn't go more than 10 meters and all kinds of stuff, and costed $40. So this I found $10 less, and it's much better. So I can show you my other one. So here's my other one. So it's half broken, as I put a lot of sellotape and stuff. There's some more helicopters somewhere, and at my grandma I put some, so I'd have with what to play there. But this is what I have here. So here's the remote. This nearly the size of a normal remote, remote of a helicopter, bigger than the other remote. So you can somehow see the size of that and the airplane. So we will also make a test fly video in a little bit, but let's see what more comes with it. So here comes a USB, and these are things, 2 replacement tiny wings, and 1 wheel here that you have to build on it. So wheel here back I thought would be 2, but there isn't. It's just something here, I don't know what, it just scratches that, whatever. Here is an antenna that you have to put here, and it comes with a manual that I don't anyway know how to use, but it's always good to have a manual if you are a beginner, because there are some important stuff that you won't know without reading these things. And it's quite easy to read. You see it's 2 pages, nothing more. And that's it. So let's make now a test fly. Okay, so here I went to the park, and I'm going to test it. Okay, so now let's test it. Let's just open the airplane, and yeah, let's just open the remote control. As see, it works instantly, and let's just open also the antenna till the end, although I hate to open it until the end because it's really long and I don't want it to open anything. So let's try again with one hand. Wow, it goes really, really good. Oh! Let's just take it here. So it went not bad. I thought it went really bad, but it went good, quite good, for another of the first tests in the park. Anyway, wow, wow, you see that? Wait, oh, okay, stopped it in the grass, so it will fall in the grass. Okay, anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more tests, just comment down below and I may do more tests. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. If you want to see more videos of the airplane, if you want to see more videos of I don't know what, or if you want help of something for the computer, I always make such videos and always reply people, so there is no reason why not to comment. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.